Hi there and welcome to Yoga with Yovana. I'm Yovana and today we have practice to relieve your body from constipation and some bloating. There is a good chance if you clicked on this video that you are struggling with something, one or another, maybe both. So wear something comfy, find yourself a towel or a mat and let's begin. We'll do a couple of poses today to relieve your belly from bloating and from constipation. Find any comfortable seat of your choice, either cross-legged or on your knees. And we will begin by rotating the spine. So your palms are on the knees, and we will start holding towards the right, in front of you, towards the left, and backwards curl the spine. We will this movement very slow because we want to create the pressure in certain areas of our belly. Let's do this again. To the right, look past your knee, to the center, and left, and we go back. Again, right, center, left, back. Awesome. Come back to center. We will inhale to raise our arms. Exhale, this towards the right. Inhale one more time, lengthen the spine, and twist a bit further. We inhale, come back to center. We will do the same on the other side. So we will make circles the opposite direction. Inhale, the right shoulder comes to the left to the right, and we come back, curl the spine. Make slow circles with our spine. And one last one. And we come back to center. Inhale, lengthen the back, and then exhale, we twist to the left. Inhale one more time, and exhale, twist some more. When you exhale, see if you can squeeze the belly to create some more space for rotation. And then we come back to center. We'll lie down on our backs. And take right knee into the chest. Left leg stays straight and it's engaged. The foot is flexed towards your face, the right foot as well. So we will inhale and exhale, squeeze that knee towards your belly, and maybe even if you can, towards the right shoulder. Let's hold here for a couple of moments, continue breathing. Bring it back to center. We will take the right knee with the left hand towards the left side, towards the ground. The right arm is straight and we look towards that arm. Take deep breaths here. We come back to center and we will switch the legs. The right leg is straight, foot is flexed. We hug the left knee towards the chest. Inhale. Exhale, bring it more towards your chest or even towards your left shoulder. And we breathe here, hold. Awesome. We bring the knee to the center, grab it with the right palm, and gently bring that knee towards the ground on the right. Extend the left arm and look towards the left arm. Continue breathing here. And then we release and come back to center. This time we hug both of our knees. Let's just stay here for a moment. Maybe you can sway left and right if that feels good. Notice if you are gripping or holding in your belly. Try to give yourself some deep breaths as well, even if there is pressure with your knees. And then you can put your palms on your knees, and we will make small circles with our knees on one side. See that your lower back doesn't lift from the floor. So we are not focusing to make a big circle, so we're just focusing to massage the lower back. We want to move. Let's change the side. Awesome. And we come back to stillness and gently relax both legs down. I will demonstrate first a small massage, self-massage you can do to move your gas or to move your bowels. We will start on the right side. So this is the center, this is left. We start on the right bottom side, and we can use both palms. We are pressing with our fingers. We press down and up, then we move a little bit up, down and up. You might feel slight pain or even some gas already moving around. We do this until we reach belly button, actually a little bit above belly button, and then we will do down and left, 3 times, down and left. When we reach the left side, we will do down and down and down. Press down, push towards down until we reach the bottom of the left side. Let's do this 2 more times together. We start with the right side. We press down and up, down and up, until we reach above the belly button. Then we press down and left. It might feel weird if this is your first time, but believe me, it works wonders. When we reach the left side, we press down and down, move one more centimeter down, press down and towards down. So each side you will move your hand maybe 3 or 4 times, depends. And one last time, down and up on the right side. We reach the belly button, down and left, above belly button, always remember. And on the left side, down and down. Awesome. From here, we're gonna roll to one of the sides and find our way to tabletop. We will make our knees as wide as the yoga mat. Big toes are touching, and gently we will lower ourselves down to child's pose. Your forehead is touching the mat or the ground. Take a couple of deep breaths. and a moment to notice how your body feels. You can stay here for as long as you like. Let me know below in the comments how this worked for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again on the mat. Namaste.